Want your notification to stand out just right, not too flashy, not too subtle. Let's adjust the transparency level of edge lighting on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Then tap notification. Next, tap notification pop-up style. Here, make sure it's set to brief because it's required to use edge lighting. Tap edge lighting style. Next, tap advanced. Here you will see a transparency slider. You can slide it from low to high. Set it to a lower transparency when you want the edge lighting to appear more solid and attention grabbing, or set it to a higher transparency for a softer, more subtle effect. As the example, we will slide it to a lower level to make that notification glow to really pop out. Once you are done, just tap done to save your change. And that's it. Now your edge lighting will look exactly how you want it to. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.